welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since you guys have seen me. Things look a little bit different since the last time you've been here. I've done a complete rebrand and a revamp of this channel because I really want to turn this channel into a soft landing place for us melanated beauties to just have a place to just recenter and recharge. So if that's something that you're into, then stick around and keep tuned. So for those of you who are new stopping by, my name is Grace Brown and I am a seroptimist, a mother. I recently got my MBA in marketing, and I'm just an overall soft life advocate for Black women. The main reason why I decided to start this channel is because I'm just noticing that many channels are always encouraging the soft life, but they don't actually explain how to develop that characteristic. And that's really what I want this channel to be about. Like, I want us to focus on how we should wake up and romanticize our mornings. Romanticize when we're about to clock in for work. Romanticize just the little pockets in our day that usually are seen as mundane or even stressful, and just find ways to rebrand and recenter ourselves so that we can be the best version of ourselves. Just because we have to go to work doesn't mean that we can't still exude the soft, girly, divine femininity that's within all of us. So first, I just want to give a little bit of a backstory on why I even decided to create this channel, or I guess I should say revamp this channel. I've just noticed that so many aspects of media are depicting Black women as these super fiery sapphire slash mammy slash Jezebel character traits that honestly a lot of us do not identify with at all. Some of us really did grow up living soft, and we've been socialized into believing that we have to adopt this mentality in order for us to have a place to fit in the Black community. And that's just so not the case. Some of us are a little ghetto, some of us are a little bougie, and then some of us are here in the middle. What's the word? Boo-ghetto? Okay, where you're just a little bit bougie and you're just a little bit ghetto, but you just need a place to just recenter yourself. Like, don't get me wrong, we can still do a little 1-2 or whatever, jiggle a little something, but we ain't finna just bust it wide open into full out twerk, okay? Like, we just like to have fun and just remain in our feminine and just enjoy life. Like, nobody wants to be a prude, but we also ain't trying to be ratchet either, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna go over a few reasons why I believe that Grace and Softness is a very important channel for women, particularly Black women. Let's start with the healing from hardness. So too often we've been praised for being ultra strong, but rarely given the space to be soft. This channel is a space to unlearn survival mode and embrace peace and ease and emotional rest. Also, we need to redefine strength. Here, softness isn't weakness, it's a superpower. We're rewriting the narrative that says we have to be hard in order to be respected, and embracing the quiet power of gentleness, grace, and self-honoring. It's also to focus on mental and emotional well-being. Black women experience higher rates of anxiety, depression, and stress-related illness. Grace and Softness is a digital channel that is a sanctuary for stillness, breath work, and soft affirmations, because we deserve wellness too. Also, we're restoring identity beyond the struggle. Obviously, we are more than our fight, our labor, and our pain. This channel helps us to reconnect with joy, sensuality, beauty, and a life led in alignment with our values and not just survival. This channel is also intended to be a safe space for feminine expression. Black femininity is nuanced, beautiful, and powerful. Grace and Softness give space for us to explore and embody femininity in a way that feels authentic and nourishing. It's also serving as a counter-narrative to the strong Black woman trope. This platform invites us to soften without shame, to cry without apology, to breathe, to bloom, and to be without having to prove anything to anyone. And it's also meant to be a digital sisterhood. Like I said, Grace and Softness isn't just a brand, It's a movement, a reminder that we don't have to walk alone. You'll find affirmations, slow living inspiration, and real talk from someone who gets it. So if that's something that you're into, please like this video, subscribe, and share if you care. And stick around for more to come. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.